Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Open the trunk. Remove the two holding screws on the outside of the light using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 socket. Unclip the light, separating it slightly from the trunk and then pulling it carefully towards you. To replace the brake indicator and fog light, make a quarter turn anti-clockwise by taking the base of the bulb, then removing the whole thing. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is push it down and pivot it a quarter turn to the left. They should pop out thanks to a spring effect. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the bulbs on the reversing spotlights, take a quarter turn anti-clockwise by holding the base of the bulb, then pull on the bulb to remove it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.